everyone, today we are going to discuss 10 very important ARDMS SPI MCQs. Okay, let's start. Number 1. Main disadvantage of continuous wave Doppler is A. Aliasing, B. No depth specificity, C. Poor sensitivity, D. Low velocity limit. Right answer here is B. No depth specificity. Why? Because CW is continuous. So there is continuous transmission. CW does not taking any break. So it cannot exactly identify from where the signal is coming from. So there is no range resolution. There is no depth specificity. Next one. Pulse wave Doppler advantage is A. No aliasing, B. Exact sample depth, C. No angle effect, D. No attenuation. Right answer here is B. Exact sample depth, because pulse Doppler has a sample gate and sample gate is placed at a specific depth. That's why it can exactly identify from where the signal is coming from. So there is excellent range resolution. Next one. Doppler shift is highest when angle is A. 0 degree, B. 45 degree, C. 60 degree, D. 90 degree. Right answer here is A. 0 degree. Why? Because cos 0 is equal to 1. So at 0 degree we get maximum Doppler shift. Next one. Doppler shift is 0 at A. 0 degree, B. 30 degree, C. 60 degree, D. 90 degree. And the right answer here is D. 90 degree. Why? Because at 90 degree cos 90 becomes 0. That's why there is no Doppler shift. Next one. Best practical Doppler angle should be A. 90 degree, B. 75 degree, C. 60 degree or less, D. 120 degree. And the right answer here is C. 60 degree or less. Because we know higher the angle goes, then there is low Doppler shift value, because cos 90 is equal to 0. So that's why we prefer smaller angle, less than 60 degree. Next one. Power Doppler shows A. Flow direction, B. Flow velocity, C. Signal strength, D. Pressure. Right answer here is C. Signal strength. Why? Because power Doppler is only concerned about slow flow presence. It does not have any interest in the Doppler shift, direction or the speed. Power Doppler is only concerned about flow is present or absent. So does not depend on Doppler shift, velocity or the speed. Next one. Power Doppler is more sensitive to A. Slow flow, B. Fast motion only, C. Bone, D. Air. Right answer is A. Slow flow, because power Doppler is only dependent on the amplitude of the signal. So only tell us about presence or absence of slow flow. So does not concern about Doppler shift, direction or speed. So for slow flow, very sensitive modality is always power Doppler. Main disadvantage of the power Doppler is less sensitivity, B. No flow direction, C. More aliasing, D. No Doppler shift. Right answer is B. Why? Because power Doppler does not depend on the direction, only depend on the amplitude. Next one. Wall filter removes A. High velocity flow, B. Low frequency signals, C. Strong echoes only, D. Harmonics only. Right answer is B. Low frequency signal. Wall filter removes the low frequency signal. If it is set too high, then we can miss actual flow. If it is set too low, we can see the noise or the wall thump artifact. If you want to prepare for ARDMS SPI in a very easy way, you can join my ARDMS SPI classes.